Let's see how we can use robotic process automation in finance operations. The daily work of a financial analyst is dominated by tedious manual processes and strict compliancy rules, not to mention detailed preparation for audit reviews. Micro-Focus robotic process automation offers a new way of doing things by automating repetitive, error-prone financial operations and freeing analysts to focus on higher-value work. Let's take a look at one required operation: updating central bank rates. 5 days a week, the analyst has to log into a Bloomberg application, search for the file that contains the day's rates, download the file, format the file for select currencies in the required style, log into the company ERP application to upload the file, and finally, make sure the rates are correct. Micro-Focus RPA updates and validates central bank rates automatically in about 5 minutes. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. The RPA workflow runs every day, 365 days a year, as scheduled in RPA Central. The workflow kicks off the first robotic task. The robot uses its Java skills to open the Bloomberg Request Builder application, search for the file that contains the day's rates, and download the file. The RPA workflow then triggers an API operation. The API operation extracts the central bank rates for the select currencies and saves a new file in the required format. Next, the workflow calls a robot to upload the file in Oracle Netsuite. The robot uses its web skills to perform the following actions: open the Netsuite web application, find the right screen and upload the file, map the fields, and start the import. Now, the RPA workflow checks the central bank rates are correct by comparing the rates in Netsuite against the source file. The robot logs back into Netsuite and exports the current day's rates. Then, an API operation compares the exported file against the source file. Back at RPA Central, we see a perfect audit trail showing when the workflow started, how long it ran, all the actions the robot took, the success or failure of each step. What do financial analysts say about this new way of working? I don't have to look for a backup. I don't have to convince auditors that the process is correct, because RPA updates and validates the rates automatically and accurately. I can finally focus on projects that influence strategic decisions. Ignite enterprise productivity with Micro-Focus RPA.